In today's video, I'm going to teach you where to see Facebook Notes and how to access them. Let's dive right into it. If you remember Facebook Notes, you might recall it as a feature that Facebook users often used for blogging a few years back. It's an interesting feature, though its prominence has decreased over the years as Facebook's focus shifted towards other elements of the platform. However, if you're looking to access old notes, or you're just curious to see if it's something you could use today, I'm here to guide you through the steps. First, you want to make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. That probably sounds obvious, but it's the essential first step. Once you've logged in, look for the search bar at the top of your Facebook homepage. Here, you'll be able to type Notes into the search field. As you start typing, Facebook will auto-suggest options, and you should select the one labeled Notes. If you're accessing notes from your own profile, you can do this by visiting your Facebook profile. Once there, you should head to the section under your cover photo, where you have different categories like About, Friends, and Photos. Look for the More section, which might contain a drop-down menu. Click on it, and see if Notes appears in the list. Depending on how you have customized your profile view, Notes might be visible right away, or you might need to click around a bit to uncover it. For viewing notes from friends or other pages, you want to head to their profiles by searching for their name using the Facebook search bar. Once you're on the chosen friend's profile page, again, you will look for the More button right next to their profile picture or on the toolbar. Clicking More will show a drop-down menu where you can select Notes, if available. Some people might not have any notes or may have privacy settings in place that restrict who can view them, so don't worry if you can't find notes on every profile. It's important to note that Facebook has retired the Notes function for creating new content as of October 2020. However, users can still view previously created notes. So, if you're navigating around and can't find an option to create a new note, that's perfectly normal. This makes Notes a nostalgic corner of Facebook. It's more about looking back than starting fresh creations. And there you have it. Now you know how to find and access Facebook Notes, whether you're browsing your old thoughts, taking a trip down memory lane, or you're just curious to see this less trodden part of Facebook. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe, and check back for more helpful tips on navigating your favorite digital spaces.